In ancient Babylon, three young men named Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego stood firm in faith. They were commanded to worship a massive golden statue, but chose to honor God instead. The king, furious at their defiance, ordered that they be thrown into a blazing furnace. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego declared their faith, refusing to bow before the idol. They told the king God could save them, but even if not, they would not serve his gods. The furnace was heated 7 times hotter, and they were bound and thrown inside. To everyone's astonishment, they were unharmed, walking in the midst of the fire with God. The king witnessed this miracle and praised their God, honoring their faith above all. So if you want to stay strong in your faith, even when everyone tells you to give up, this story is for you.